Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about sets in Swift. So what is a set? Set is also a collection of data like array, collection of data with similar type just like array. But the difference between array and set is that for set we cannot have duplicate data. We can have duplicate data in array, but we cannot have duplicate data in set. To give you an example why we can have duplicate data in array, let's say I have an array something like 1 to 2, right? Now I can distinguish between these two and these two because I have index property, right? So it is at index number 1 and this is at index number 2, and if you add another 2 it is at index number 3, and that's why we can have duplicate items or data. But for set we can't do that. Let me give you an example. Let me create a flexible set. For that I have to use var keyword. If I use let, you know that it creates constant, right? So I have to use var set of numbers, and this is how we create a set in one line. I write set small bracket and then big bracket. So set is defined this way because we add array to the set, and let's say this array is 1 2 3 4 and 5. If I print this, there is no difference except we are using this set and small bracket. The result is same or different. Let's see, the result is different. That means for set the order of the items is not maintained. Okay, let me write it. The order of the data is not maintained. That's why now if I add another item, for that I use insert method. If I add 8 and print this and run it, you can see it is not added at the last. In this, earlier I had 3 at the last. Now it won't add 8 after it. It can add 8 anywhere, random places. That's why there is no indices concept in set, and set has unique items, right? So if I add 3 again, let me add 3 again and print it. What am I doing? Okay, I have to write dot insert. If I add 3 again, it cannot have duplicate items, so there is a single 3. That's it. Now we talked about not having duplicate items and the order is not maintained. That's why we don't have index. And other thing you can have, obviously, the count property to check, like know the size of the set. I can print it. So there are 6 items, 1 2 3 4 5 6. We can do that. What else can we do in set? So if you just do set of numbers and dot, you can see there are a lot of things that you can do. Among them, let me just do this contents. So I can check if the set contains an item or not. Print set of numbers and dot contains. Does it contain 10? Run. False. If it contains, then it says true, otherwise it says false. Now if you just do set of numbers and put a dot after it, you can see all the methods that you can do. Insert, we did it. Count, we did it. IsEmpty is to check whether the set is empty or not, and there are a lot. Remove all the items, contains, remove a certain item, and all other things. That's all about set in Swift. Thank you for listening.